Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. Well, 2 out of 13 orders came in today. It's time to start getting the TRX4 ready for the spring, for crawling and trailing and whatnot. But I also got to fix my HSP truck too. So I got in some new tires, which I have a feeling are a little bit big for that truck. These were listed as 110 scale for HSP. And I thought, okay, well, I'll buy into that because the price was great. But to me, they look like a little bit big. They're almost, wow, they're almost like a 110 Summit size tire. They're close, but you know, oh, typical, not glued. Okay, I guess I'll be doing some gluing, but I'll have to fit them on the truck first and see how they fit. And compared to stock tires, these are a little bit on the bigger side. I may end up having to order smaller ones somewhere, but that's okay. These can always be used. We do have other vehicles around. These would actually be the perfect size for my wife's Stampede 4x4, actually. Yeah, come to think of it, they probably would be. Well, we'll see what happens. Anyhow, so, more goodies. So for the TRX4 specific, I've got one of these pull pals, and picked up a trailer hitch, which is kind of cool, and a winch. This is a temporary winch though, guys, but I wanted a winch to get me going. When I started ordering stuff, I went a little crazy with the order, and I thought about it later. Maybe I should have just ordered the remote winch first, but I want the worn winch in the end. So this is kind of like a temporary, but it'll get me going anyways until I get another one. So I got those to put on the TRX4. For my HSP monster truck, it's been hurting. I was wondering what was grinding and stuff. Turns out I blew a few teeth off the pinion, and I've got a bit of a bent shaft on my motor. So I ordered a kit actually from Banggood. And this stuff all came from Banggood, and so will the next 7 orders, and then the rest of them are from Wish. But got a brushless ESC 2S 3S, a servo, which is actually metal geared, so, and it's a Tower Pro 996R high torque, they say. So I'm going to put that on because the truck only came with a cheapy servo anyhow. And in here, to my surprise, they give us a pinion for the HSP, but totally useless because it's brass, and brass and steel gears, they don't go well. So I'll save that for our other one. We've got a truck that we got off one of our other subscribers a while back, and it's been kind of hurting lately, so I got to patch it back together too. So I'm going to leave it as a brush system, and brass works with brushed. So we do have a heat sink, and we have a nice brand spanking new 4-pole motor. And this sucker is 3300 kV, 540 size, and it says it's waterproof. So hey, that's alright. So we got that. Let's open up this ESC. Nice Dean's plug already, perfect. Capacitors. Switch with the programmers. Has that got the programmer on it? Yeah, it's got the programmer. Fan as well. I don't know if the fan is good for 3S, but I'm going to find out. I know on the HSP truck from the RC Hobbies outlet where we got them from, 2S run the fan, 3S disconnect the fan. So it may be the same thing here. And this is 120 amp ESC. So we're going to need some really good quality sticky tape to hold that in place. But because the ESC that's in my truck is only 2-pole, it's kind of useless with a 4-pole motor. So we'll be using all brand new equipment on that and getting that all back together. And of course they give you a little booklet. So that's the little score for today. Expecting more stuff in tomorrow and then throughout. I actually even ordered a new battery for the HSP, and I ordered a secondary 3-cell for my TRX4, and I did get in my SMC 3-cell, so I'm all 3-cell ready for that. So my first project tonight is going to be starting this stuff. When I got a bunch of the mods all done on it, then I'll show you where I'm at initially for having it ready for the trails. But today was kind of like, check this out, and time to start modding this. I already have the camera mounted. I had an old mount that I modified, just sanded it down to shape to fit into this area, and then a bunch of double-sided foam sticky tape, and that fits my camera good. And I found my mount was a little loose, so here's a little trick for you. If you find your GoPro mount or other mount similar to this style, like a GoPro is a little sloppy, grab yourself a couple of guitar picks, different thicknesses, and find one that you can jam in there really hard, and then you're gonna get like no slop, no vibration, so it'll make better for a video too, which will be really awesome. Anyways, so that's what we got, and I'm gonna go mess around with this thing. I'm gonna try these tires on that truck. I'm kind of curious if they're gonna fit properly or not, and if not, I guess I'll go back up to Banggood's website and see if I can take some measurements of my stock ones, which would probably be a smart idea. And but these things actually look pretty good, so you never know, they might. They're gonna be bigger anyway. So thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys shortly on the next video. Ciao.